Hello, welcome back to Metal Machine Shop. This time I'm going to show you a clever little device for centering work in a forge or chuck, or indeed on a faceplate. I got the idea from this book. It's The Amateur's Lathe by L.H. Sperry. It's my bible for lathe work. I've had it for many years, and pretty much everything you need to know about operating a lathe is contained within this book. But if we go to page 71, I'll just hold it up to the camera. At the bottom there's a little design for a device for centering work in the lathe. So I've got it set up behind me here, and I'll show you how it works and what it does. So here's the workpiece in my hand. It's just an example, so not a real piece of work. What it is a non-circular rectangle of aluminium in this case, and I've marked out a centre mark in the middle there, and we're going to try and centre that in the lathe. So here are the two bits of the device. First, we've got a little holder here, which is simply a piece of aluminium, and if you can just see, there's a centre mark centred into it there. This other bit is the centre finder. A little bit difficult to see, so I'll hold it up against the white background. Basically, that little centre there engages in the centre that I just showed you. This bit here is a pointy bit which engages in the centre of the work, and then right at the other end there's another centre mark, and the whole thing pivots around this point here, so any movement on this end is exaggerated on the far end. So here we go, I've set up the work in the forge or chuck. I've extended the tailstock centre just a bit here, so the work is lined up by eye with reference to the tailstock centre. Not entirely accurate, but good enough as a first pass. So the holder goes in the quick change tool paste here. Just lock that in place. Then we put the centre onto the holder. Just wind the carriage around, and what I'm doing here is adjusting the cross slide and the carriage to engage the centre of the centre finder in the centre mark in the workpiece. There we go. Now that we've got the workpiece roughly centred in the forge or chuck behind me, what I'll do is I'll switch on the lathe and I'll show you how the centre finder exaggerates the effect of the workpiece being off centre. So all I have to do now is to adjust the forge or chuck until the centre finder shows no motion when measured against the tailstock centre, and then the workpiece will have been well accurately centred in the chuck. So I've just done that, and now I'll switch the lathe on again and just show you how well centred the workpiece is. So there you go, the workpiece is being centred pretty accurately, clearly not as accurately as you could achieve by using a dial test indicator or methods like that, but for something that's relatively quick and dirty, this works pretty well. This device only takes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes to make. It's pretty easy. So I'm guessing that workpiece is probably centred to within an accuracy of about 1/100th of a millimetre or so, so that's pretty good going. I've been using a forge or chuck in this video. Of course this method works equally well using the faceplate. Anyway, that's it. I hope you found that little video useful. If you want to see more like this in the future, then please subscribe to my channel, Metal Machine Shop. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks for your company. Bye.